Start by turning on the switch at the back of the machine so that the rollers can start warming up. Remove the feed table by disengaging the latch on the bottom of the right side. Pull the table towards you while lifting the table up. To remove the top mandrel, lift the right side of the mandrel first and slide the mandrel to the right until it comes out of the hex head on the left side. Repeat this process to remove the bottom mandrel. Using the supplied wrench, loosen the gripper and make sure that it is the same distance from the end on both mandrels. This will ensure that the top and bottom laminate line up. Insert the mandrel into the roll of laminate and replace the gripper with the thumb screw by inserting it securely into the roll of film and tightening the screw. Replace the top and bottom mandrel with film back on the laminator. The arrows on the laminate will be pointing toward the heated roller. The gloss side of the film will always be touching the roller. Loading the film backwards will result in the hot rollers getting glued up and jammed. Release the bottom idler roller by pulling up on the roller and back toward you. Remove tape from the top roll of laminate, slightly unwind the top film, pull it under the top idle roller, and tuck it underneath the safety shield. Open the safety shield and pull laminate down so that it loosely hangs over the heated rollers. Remove the tape from the bottom roll of laminate, pull film under the bottom idler roller and up over the heated roller. Lightly tap the laminate together so that it sticks. Replace the bottom idler roller by pushing up and back on it, making sure it locks into place. Replace the feed table on the machine, making sure that the safety latch is engaged. Move the safety shield to down position. Press the feeding card firmly into the rollers and press run. Monitor the film as it passes through the laminator to be sure the feeding card goes between the back pull rollers. Pull the laminate clear of the machine. Wrinkles will slowly disappear as the film is aligned. Once the laminate clears, press the stop button. Trim the laminate by placing the cutter in the middle of the laminate and press down while moving from one side to the other for a clean trim. Slice the laminate between the safety shield and the top idler roller. Remove the top mandrel by lifting up on the right side of the mandrel first and slide mandrel right until the left side comes out of the hex head. Next, remove the feed table by disengaging the safety latch and pulling the table up towards you. Using scissors, slice the laminate between the bottom idler roller and the laminate roll. Remove the bottom mandrel by using the same process that was used for the top mandrel. Replace the rolls of laminate on both mandrels. Replace the top and bottom mandrel onto the laminator. The arrows on the laminate will be pointing toward the heated roller and the gloss side of the film will be touching the roller to prevent the rollers from getting glued up and jamming. Remove the tape from the top roll of laminate. Slightly unwind the top film, pull it under the top idle roller, and tuck it underneath the safety shield. Open the safety shield and pull laminate down so that it loosely hangs over the film that is already in place. Release the bottom idler roller by pushing the roller back, down, and then towards you. Remove the tape from the bottom roll of laminate. Thread the film under the bottom idler roller and up over the heated roller. Lightly tap the laminate together so that it sticks, or if the machine is not warmed up, place a piece of tape here to secure it. Replace the bottom idler roller by pushing away from you, up, and then back towards you. Replace the feed table, making sure that the safety latch is properly engaged. Move the safety shield to down position. Set the speed dial to the desired speed and press run. Once the laminate runs clear, the machine is ready to operate. Film jams do occur. If the laminate is not fed properly into the back pull rollers, the laminate will wrap around the roller. To fix this, begin by stopping the laminator as soon as you see the problem occurring. Using scissors, carefully slip the film between the top idler bar and the safety cover. Remove the feed table and slip the bottom laminate between the bottom idler bar and the roll of film. Stick the bottom piece of film to the top piece of laminate by using the heat from the roller. Place the laminate on the top roller. Insert the feed table, remembering to engage the safety latch. Lay the film back onto the feed and close the safety cover. Press the red reverse stop button and pull firmly on the laminate. Continue pressing down on the red reverse button until all of the laminate is removed from the roller. The laminator is now ready to be rethreaded with the laminate. When the laminate is not loaded correctly, the film can wrap around the main roller. This is messy and a bit more complicated to unwind, but it can be done. Begin by slitting the laminate so that it is no longer connected to the main roll. Remove the feed table and release the bottom idler bar. Slit the laminate between the bottom roll of film and the bottom idler bar. Open the safety cover and start loosening the film from the roller. This works best when the roller is still warm. Pull about 2 inches of the film free of the roller and replace the feed tray, remembering to engage the safety latch. Press the red reverse button and pull firmly on the laminate. Continue pressing down on the red reverse until the laminate is almost unwound from the roller. This will be difficult, but pull firmly and the film will come loose. Open the safety cover and unstick the laminate from itself. You may have to use scissors to do this, but be careful not to scratch the roller. Close the safety cover and remove the rest of the laminate by pulling on it and pressing on the reverse button. The film has now been removed, but there will still be some glue and residue left on the rollers. This will need to be removed before the machine is reloaded with laminate. It is normal for some glue to squeeze out of the ends of the film and build up on the rollers. This glue and the glue left on the rollers after a wraparound can be easily removed using a laminator cleaning kit. The laminator cleaning kit includes rubber glue remover, block, and scrubby to remove loosened glue. To clean, first remove the film from the laminator. Turn the heat dial to low setting and using the rubber block, briskly rub the glue buildup. Glue will peel off roller. Wet the scrubby with the isopropyl and using the rough side, remove any large clumps of glue. Use caution when using this side of the scrubby as it could scratch the roller. Continue with the other side of the scrubby to remove the remaining glue from the roller. Polish the roller with the microfiber cloth. Normally, this can take about 10 to 15 minutes as the laminator has to be turned on 3 or 4 times and rollers have to be advanced to clean off all glue.